On behalf of Hong Leong Bank, we'd like to thank everyone and ABF for this award. Winning this for the 4th consecutive year recommits our pledge to serve the SME community of Malaysia, and as well, thank you also to the AI Pros.
Well, Hong Leong Bank has a brand value which is anchored on built around you, whereby we have our community business managers, which is commonly known as the relationship managers, distributed across the whole geography of Malaysia for us to be closer to the clients or the SME communities, whereby we are able to actually on live aware of how are their nuances, what are their issues, and at the same time propose and recommend what they would be requiring in terms for them to grow their business. Well, two words is definitely digital leadership in terms of enabling SMEs in terms of their approach in actually growing their business. And the other part is to put a human touch to them, to be able to be close to them, to be aware what they actually need for them to actually move forward. And this is very important for Malaysian market because we see a uprising of new business entrepreneurs as well as the second generation coming into the picture in terms of business development and expansion. I think the first priority that Hong Leong Bank puts into the SME business, right, is to allow us to have both the coverage done through the business center managers, which is where we have all the community business managers are there, as well as to leverage on the branch network, whereby we have the branch managers deemed as the single captain of the local community to be able to actually serve and engage the businesses. And of course, the critical part about it, we can continue to put a face to the clients. At the same time, we will also continue to promote the enablers in terms of digital engagement as well as digital solutioning to them, for them to able to broaden their approach to their business as well as to their own ecosystem. A typical example that we can quote is actually the recent efforts that we work with on the Motor Dealers Association, whereby we actually engage AI platforms to actually work with them in terms of both their collections of their clients' receivables, as well as to allow them to penetrate into the underserved in terms of the motor scooter buyers. I think the SME strategy for Hong Leong Bank will continue to anchor on 4 key areas. One is to continue to adopt IT and technology and digital adoption to actually expand our engagement and also our handling of our clients on the SME community. 2, to continue to encourage the community business managers and the branches to increase their expansion or engagement with the ecosystems of the SME community so that we can continue to be able to detect and understand and provide solutions to their nuances or their needs. Of course, then the third one will be to step up opportunities for the SMEs to grow beyond what they traditionally has been going by building new markets, bringing them to a network of clients, bringing them to markets whereby probably they will not be able to consider as a core business driver if we are not there to support them. And of course, most important on the 4th area, which is to continue to drive the agenda to bring up the awareness and adoption of sustainability as well as a digital adoption for SMEs.